When seniors need our help, when families need support, when members of our community need us, we're there to say yes. We can say yes because you said yes. Established in 1953, the Legacy Senior Communities is a not-for-profit organization that offers wide-ranging health care and housing choices, including independent living, assisted living, memory care, short-term rehabilitation, skilled nursing, and home health care. Your support today for the Legacy at Preston Hollow Dallas Home for Jewish Aged ensures that we are there to offer safe, quality care for our seniors. Your support makes it possible for grandchildren to connect with grandparents, for adult children to know their aging parents are being cared for, and for seniors and their families to receive the assistance they need. With your support, you are making a difference in the lives of hundreds of people right now. And with your continued support, we will be there for generations to come.
The Yes campaign started a little bit over 3 years ago as a way of all of us here that work at the Legacy at Preston Hollow having a connection and to remind us that we're here to serve.
We came to the Legacy after my stepmother broke her ankle, and we were here just for rehab. And after evaluation by the wonderful staff here, we realized her going home was not going to be an option. And now I'm happy to say when she talks about going home, she doesn't talk about her home where she lived for 40 years. She talks about the Legacy Preston Hollow, which is just wonderful.
And I must tell you, I find the staff especially accommodating, helpful.
The staff, I think, are highly qualified, and they treat you with dignity and kindness, and I think that's what's important.
You might say, all told, the decor, the attentiveness of the staff that's here, the food, all of this adds up to, if I had to come to a place like this, I'm glad it's here.
Well, I'm used to being independent, but they help me in a way that doesn't make me feel dependent.
The care, the compassion, and all the activities that he's able to participate in, that he has absolutely loved, that he would not normally be able to go to, has been so fun for him.
My grandfather, who you see back here, he was president of Golden Acres, I want to say maybe early 90s or so. So it's kind of been in my family. Now my mom helps run this event, and I just enjoy talking with residents and volunteering and talking to people.
I think we're very fortunate. There's a rabbi that comes here by the name of Wolk. I look forward to his coming here on each Tuesday.
We have discussions, we have a Shabbat program. They all, I believe, benefit from participating, from being with one another. It's a very enriching experience for them and for me.
I think people feel secure here, and they really feel loved here.
There is a personal connection between the staff, from the people that bring my brother's laundry to him, to Jerry McDonald. And that's what I truly believe makes Preston Hollow what it is today. Every single person cares about every resident.
Our seniors are our most valuable resource. Together, they embody the wisdom and experience that defines who we are as a people. They are the link that ties our generations together, from the past to the present and into the future. Thank you. Thank you for helping provide a safety net for seniors in need, for giving seniors a place that honors and preserves their Jewish identity, and for making it possible to care for our community's most vulnerable people. Thank you for making possible the activities that keep our seniors busy and productive, their spirits up, and their minds stimulated. Thank you for allowing us to give dignity to those who need the most critical care. You are the light of compassion, enabling the care that our seniors so richly deserve.
Your grandchildren thank you for saying yes.
Your community thanks you for saying yes.
Legacy families, thank you for saying yes.
The volunteers, thank you for saying yes.
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 Thank you for saying yes.